how to delete your Snapchat account, that's what we are going to do in today's video. But first of all, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel, and then let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna search for Snapchat and open it, and then click on our profile picture on the upper left and click on the settings icon on the upper right. Then scroll until you find the support section. And after we find the support section, we're gonna click on I need help. Now on this page, you're gonna find a search bar. Pressing it, and when you're pressing it, down below you can write delete my account, or you can click on it directly. When the guiding page opens, you can find here under the title to delete your account if you are on Android or on the web, there is a hyperlink called Accounts Portal. Click on it. After this, you have to enter your account credentials, your username and your password. And when we click on continue, now my account is deactivated and it's gonna be deleted after 30 days. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment any suggestion or question on the video. Have a nice day.